Hello, myself Deepak. Today I'm explaining about how to create a simple website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here I'm using recipe API for seeking recipe details by entering recipe name. Here I'm using Firebase database. Here I'm creating login page, sign up page. Once I enter the credentials, it stores in database. After login details, it check is it matches. If matches, moves further. See how it works. First, I'm creating a home.html for placing login and sign up links. Then login.html for entering email and password. Sign up page, entering name, email and password. Recipe.html. The main process works in that code. Here I'm giving recipe API. See, then how it works. When you give the recipe name, it gives the ingredients and how it steps for preparing food. Let's see a.js file. Here I'm giving Firebase admin details and key.json file. Here the key.json file of my database. Then I'm giving the port number 3000 and also giving the home.html, login.html, signup.html programs. And also I'm storing the name, email, password to the database. And once I'm logging, it verifies is it valid or not. If it's valid, it's move further. And if it's move further, it's open the recipe.html. This is my Firebase database. Then click on the settings and service accounts. Then generate a new pin key and click on generate key. Then it's download a file which is key.json file, which will place on the same code wherever writes the recipe.html. Then project overview and open project overview. Firestore database. I recently sign up the give the sign up details. See, sign up details. Giving the email and password stores in a database. Using the email and password, I am logging. See, first localhost. Here I'm giving the port number 3000, so I'm using 3000. Login. See login details. After login, it gives a recipe generator page. Here I'm giving you some recipe name. Biryani. Get recipe. See, here the image of a biryani and ingredients and instructions to prepare the food. Firebase database. So this is the valid email and password. It checks its match. It's further moves. Let's check another two examples. Using pasta, get recipe. See here the image, ingredients and instructions. Then see another example. Noodles. The noodles, ingredients and instructions. This is the process how it works. Here I'm using recipe API file. For if I enter the recipe name, it generates the ingredients and the instructions to prepare a food. Here it works. Thank you.